Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Dr. Ahmad Al Faris. Today we are going to answer several questions about kinematic equations, chapter 2 and M1, edexcel or Cambridge. In this question, a car is moving along a straight road with a constant acceleration A. So the whole motion, there is constant what acceleration, and they give us its unknown A. Then what they said that this car is modeled as particle, where A is greater than 0. That means there is a positive acceleration, not deceleration. At time equals 0, the car passes the point A, okay, and move with the initial speed u, okay. In the first 3 seconds, okay, after passing A, it was moving at what? A distance of 20 meters away from A in 3 seconds. In the 4th second, that means extra 1 second after what the first 3 seconds, the car moved another what? 10 meters. The speed of the car passes the point A, B, okay, it's what? 20 meters per second. Find the time taken for the car travel from A to B. Now let's see this. Now we have the point A somewhere here, and we have initial speed of what? U. And during the whole motion, there was constant acceleration. Now, this car is moving, okay, in the first 3 seconds. So here the time equal what? 0. After 3 seconds, okay, it was moving a distance of how much? 20 meters. Somewhere here, okay, it covered at the 4th second, another what? Another 10 meters. So the total distance is how much? 30 meters, okay? The point B, somewhere here, okay, as it moved from A to this point after 3 seconds, covering 20 meters. After 4 seconds, okay, it covered 30 meters, okay. The point B here, okay, the car has a speed of what? 20 meters per second. Now imagine this line, by drawing it, we can find out a lot of informations. Now what the question asks, they ask about the time from where? From A to B, the whole time from this point until it reached the point B. We don't know how much it is. But let's say that we have, okay, this point, I will call it X, and this point, I will call it Y, okay? Now, what I'm going to do, I will use the equation that relative with what? Acceleration, distance, initial speed, and time, okay? Once from A to X and once from A to Y, and I will find two unknowns, which is the acceleration and the time, and I will use two equations with two unknowns. So again, I will use the equation displacement equal ut plus half at squared twice, once from A to the point X and once from A to the point what? Y. Now, when I do that, okay, I will find two equations. What are these two equations? Two equations with two unknowns. So first one, the distance from A to X is 20 meters, equal U, which is unknown, multiplied by what? The time, which is 3, okay, plus half multiplied by the unknown A, multiplied by what? 3 what? Square. By rearrange this formula, U equal 3U, sorry, 20 equal 3U, plus 4.5 what? Acceleration. This is equation number what? This is equation number 1. I'll do the same thing from where to where? Now, from A to Y, from the point A here to the point Y, which is 30 meters, 20 meters, and 10 meters. They said the 4th second, that's only 1 second, from 3 seconds to 4 seconds, it covers another what? 10 meters. So that means 30 meters equal U, which is unknown, multiplied by the time, which is 4 seconds now, plus half multiplied by the unknown acceleration multiplied by 4 what? Square. Rearrange this equation, it will be 30 equal 4U plus what? 4 square, it's 16 times half, which is 8A. This is equation number what? This is equation number what? Number 2. Now what I will do, I have two equations with two unknowns. What I will do, I'll put equation number 1 multiplied by -4 and I put equation number 2, and I multiply it by 3 or any other math method, and I will add both equations to find the value of what of A. I will cancel the value of U, or I can cancel the value of what of A and find the value of U. Okay, it's my decision what I need to do. Okay, now let's continue. Here I will put the first equation. I'll multiply it by how much? By -4. So it will be -80, 20 times -4, -80, equal 3u times -4. That means -12u, plus 4.5a times -4. That means it will be negative. It will be -18. It will be -18a. That's this equation. The other equation, I'll multiply it by how much? The second equation, I'll multiply it by 3. 30 multiplied by 3, it's 90, equal 4u multiplied by 3, it will be 12u, plus 8a multiplied by 3, that means plus 24a. By adding these two equations, I will find out that my answer, it will be how much? -80 plus 90, it will be how much? It will be 10. Equal -12u plus 12u, they cancel out each other, 0. -12 plus 24, it will be how much? 6a. So my acceleration, it will be equal 10 divided by what? 6. That's the first unknown. Okay, I will use it where? In the first equation. So now what I will do, I will write all this in equation number 1. So I'll substitute it in equation number 1, and what I will get? 20 equal 3u plus 4.5 multiplied by the acceleration, which is 10 divided by 6. Okay, doing math, 4.5 multiplied by 10 divided by 6, 20 minus the answer, divided by 3. So u equal how much? U, it will be equal 4.16, recurring 14, okay, 17, sorry, meters per second. Now I find the value of u at position A, and they ask us to find the time from A to B, and I know u, which is 4.17, I know v, and I know now the acceleration, and they ask about the time. Which formula I will use? I will use the equation that has no what? No distance. So the equation that I'm going to use it here. So this is the first step. This is the second step. This is the third step. And now this is the fourth step. That's why it has 8 or 9 marks. Actually, it has 8 marks. I don't know why it's not 9 marks now. Okay, so what I will do now, I will substitute from A to B, and the answer will be V equal U plus 80. So V, how much is the velocity for B? Okay, it's 20, equal U, which is 4.17, plus the acceleration, which is 10 divided by 6 multiplied by T. By doing the math, the time, it will be equal 9.5 watt seconds. That's it.